Today we will learn 3 amazing tricks in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's jump into the timeline. Trick number 1. Sync video clips with music beats. First I placed the background music tracks on the timeline. Now if I play it, you will hear the music. I'll add marker points at each music beats by pressing M on the keyboard. Once the marking is done, I'll move the music layer on track down. Because the video footage audio will come to this place, I have already imported several layers video clips into the project panel. Now let's enlarge the video clips for better visibility. And select the key parts of each footage by pressing I and O on the keyboard. After selecting the key parts of all the clips, we'll select them together. Go to the project panel and choose Automate to Sequence. From there, we'll sort the order and set the placement. Once you click OK, the video clips will automatically align on the music beats on the timeline. Next, we need to mute the background music sound of the video clips to avoid any interference. Now, if I play it, you will hear that is perfectly synced with the music. To enlarge the video frames, right-click and choose Set to Frame Size. Now the frames are properly sized. Lastly, we'll create an adjustment layer for color correction. Select the adjustment layer, go to Basic Color, click Auto and adjust Contrast, Saturation and Highlight. To make the footage looks even better, if I play it now, you will see the result is complete. Trick number 2. Shake Text Effect. First, we will add the text layer, enlarge the text and position it in the center. Next, go to the Effect panel and search for the Transform effect. Drag into the text layer. In the Effect control panels, you will see the Transform effect has added. Set Skew to 2 and turn on the Skew's Exist keyframes. Move forward in the timeline to where you want the animation to end and increase the Skew Exist value. The higher the value, the faster the movement. If I play it now, you will see the text shaking. To add motion blur, set the shutter angle to 360 and unclick the box above. Now if I play it again, you will notice the added motion blur effect. Trick number 3. Curve text animation. First, we'll create a color map. I've choose yellow for the example, but you can choose any color you like. Place the color matte on the timeline and state it to fit the duration. Since the yellow is too brighter, we'll reduce the opacity to 60% in the effect control panels to make it look softer. Now we'll add a text layer and type something. You can write anything you want. Enlarge the text and align it to the center. You can also change the text color if you like. Next, go to the effect panel and search for Sphereize. Apply it to the text layer. In the effect control panel, enable the reduce keyframes of the Sphereize effect and move forward a bit in the timeline, then increase the radius value. You will see the text starting to curve. Move a little further and add another keyframes. Then at the very end and set the value back to 0. Now if I play it, you will see the curve text animation is complete. For more amazing video editing tips and tricks, make sure to watch our next video and click the bell icon to get notified of all our new updates.